In this video, I'm going to show you whether Instagram notify if you screenshot somebody's DM. That is quite simple and easy to test, so let's begin. And first open up Instagram, and now there I got two accounts. I can simply switch between them. And first let's open up a DM and get into my conversation with my second account. Now I can test it and let's make a screenshot of that page. And now let's switch to my another account and see if Instagram notifying that I made a screenshot. So I open up the conversation and there I got no visual notification about screenshot has been made. Also, I can go out of here and hit there at likes, where could be some other notifications, and there are no notification about screenshot as well. So the answer is no, Instagram doesn't notify if you screenshot a DM of some person. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.